Worried robots are coming to steal your job. You're not alone. Automation is on the rise. But is it all doom and gloom? In this video, we'll explore the future of work. Will robots become our coworkers or render us jobless? We'll break down the risks and opportunities and show you how to thrive in this exciting, tech-driven era. So buckle up and get ready to future-proof your career. Today, we're diving into a question that's been on a lot of minds lately. With robots and automation on the rise, will they steal all our jobs? Robots and artificial intelligence will take some jobs away from humans, but they will also create new ones. Since 2000, robots and automation systems have slowly phased out many manufacturing jobs, 1.7 million of them. On the flip side, it's predicted that artificial intelligence will create 97 million new jobs by 2025. In 1589, Queen Elizabeth refused to grant the inventor of a mechanical knitting machine a patent for fear of putting manual knitters out of work. In the early 19th century, textile artisans called Luddites attempted to prevent or derail the mechanization of the textile industry. Even economists, such as John Maynard Keynes, have worried about technological unemployment. The fear has not receded. A recent headline from Business Insider suggests that machines may replace half of human jobs. Before your anxiety rises to uncomfortable levels, consider economist David Autor's warning that journalists tend to overstate the extent to which machines will substitute for human labor and ignore the positive aspects that benefit workers and create jobs. Are robots coming for our jobs? Let's face it, automation is changing the game. From self-driving trucks to artificial intelligence-powered chatbots, machines are taking over tasks once done by humans. A recent World Economic Forum report predicts that by 2025, automation could displace 85 million jobs globally. But here's the good news. That same report also suggests that 97 million new jobs will be created. So robots might be taking over some things. But they are also opening doors to new opportunities. What jobs are most at risk? Think about tasks that are routine, predictable, and don't require a lot of creativity. Assembly line workers, data entry clerks, even cashiers. These jobs are prime targets for automation. Some jobs will be eliminated by robots, but it is difficult to predict exactly which ones. Not simply because the rise of technology is difficult to predict, but also because we are talking about human forms of life, which evolve in a variety of different ways, both socioculturally and biologically, in response to how we feel and speak. So let's see how you stay relevant in this changing landscape. Focus on soft skills. Communication, teamwork, and adaptability will be more important than ever. Embrace lifelong learning. Be prepared to continuously learn new skills and stay up to date with the latest technologies. Think outside the box. Don't be afraid to explore new fields and develop a diverse skill set. After all the discussions we have made now, we are at the point where we can discuss a bit about a future of work. Actually, the future of work is full of possibilities. While automation will change the job market, it doesn't have to be a scary thing. By developing the right skills and embracing lifelong learning, we can thrive in this new era of human-machine collaboration. Considering a world where distribution is the central problem is interesting. But many economists see this as needless worry. Productivity-enhancing technology has changed the economy in dramatic ways over the past 2 centuries, and it has not made human labor obsolete. Nor has it eliminated the problem of scarcity. Herbert Simon, economist, computer scientist, and Nobel laureate, wrote in the 1960s, another period of automation anxiety. Insofar as they are economic problems at all, the world's problems in this generation and the next are problems of scarcity, not of intolerable abundance. The bogeyman of automation consumes worrying capacity that should be saved for real problems. 25 in short, many economists see the current wave of new technology and automation as a trend that has been occurring for most of human history, and one that will continue in the future. The challenge is in equipping future workers with the skills they need to be competitive and productive in a changing economy. What are your thoughts on the future of work? Do you think robots will take all our jobs? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these kind of videos.